Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, I guess. I know it's been super long since the last time I uploaded any long video where I basically just talk and you have to listen to it while watching me speed painting. There's just been a lot going on lately for me, and I'm still kind of trying to figure out how to manage stuff to do things a lot better, because I'm currently not good at it at all. And that's why it kind of feels that this to-do list isn't getting any shorter, but it's getting longer, and it kind of scares me at the same time. It's just that my mind's been filling up with new ideas and the new things I want to make, and I still haven't finished with the old ones, so yeah, my time management skills pretty much suck right now. But despite all the things that I have to do, I still decided to partly participate in a mermaid this year. Like, screw you to-do list, I have a mermaid I want to draw. So yeah, basically I just paused almost everything to draw some fantasy creatures. And for those of you who don't know what the MerMay is, it's basically an art challenge similar to Inktober. Only difference is that this happens on May and you have to draw a lot of mermaids. And when I said that I was only partly participating in the mermaid, that meant that I'm not gonna be drawing all 31 mermaid. Instead of, I'm just gonna do 5 drawings, 2 mermaids per each. That means only 10 mermaids. But I am following one of the prompt lists that there is out there, although I could have made my own, but I wasn't really up for that. So yeah, I'm sticking with this particular prompt list for this challenge. So for these 2 mermaids, I chose the themes from the day 1 and day 4, which is extravagant and Star Wars. But since the 4th of May is not just International Star Wars Day, but it's also the day when Latvia gained back its freedom from Soviet Union, I just thought it would be nice to give the Star Wars mermaid a Latvian flag. And as for her look, I gave her Princess Leia's iconic hairstyle and Rey's outfit. I'm actually one of those really rare people, just don't kill me. I haven't seen not even one Star Wars movie, so for the reference I basically just had to Google it. But yeah, I thought this combination of hairstyle and her outfit would look really cute, so yeah, don't kill me for not being die-hard Star Wars fan. And for the record, I didn't even know the International Star Wars Day was a thing, like 5 years ago when someone told me about it, then I discovered it. Before that, it was only my birthday, yeah, and the Independence Day for Latvia, that's it. But in the end, I really like how this mermaid turned out. I think she looks really cute and really adorable. And as for the other one, the extravagant mermaid, the only thing thinking about the theme that popped in my head was Met Gala. Like, Met Gala and all these crazy outfits that are there. And that is why it was really hard to decide what kind of outfit I wanted for her to have. That at one point I really thought that maybe I should change the theme and just maybe try to draw something easier. And for a moment I was really gonna choose outfit that Kim Kardashian had in this year's Met Gala, because I really liked the outfit and I thought it could look super sexy on a mermaid, and it would be interesting to turn it out as a mermaid outfit. And I really liked this wet look with these ruffles and the fake water drops that she has all over the dress. But yeah, in the end I chose completely different outfit as an inspiration, and it was this Blake Lively's Met Gala outfit, which I really liked, by the way. And while searching for inspiration, I was returning to this particular outfit like again and again and again, and I was then like, okay, I'm gonna give her this gorgeous look because it's really gorgeous and she would look really good in it. So less overthinking and more drawing, girl. Because otherwise it's gonna be the end of the May and you wouldn't have any painting at all. Like none. So without further doubts, I just started to draw this kind of really dynamic mermaid duo. But yeah, I really like how the painting turned out in the end, and I really like how their clothes are flowing, how the flag turned out to be, and the hardest part for me, of course, was the hands for a Star Wars girl. But that's just the thing that I have to work on, and I'm actually really happy about how it turned out. But yeah, as for the other 4 mermaid drawings that I'm gonna post, I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna make 4 short videos or 1 longer video with combining all 4 of them. So yeah, let me know what you think about that in the comment section below, so it would be maybe easier for me to choose. The next pair is day 6 and day 9, which is Taco Tuesday and French Baguette. And after that I chose day 12 and day 20, which is Mother's Day and Honeybee. And then there are going to be 2 more duos, but I'm not gonna say which ones, because what's the fun in that? You're just gonna have to wait and see for yourself. And I have a question for you guys out there, like, have you ever tried to participate in any art challenge? Have you finished it? Maybe you just gave up the whole way and didn't finish it. Have you learned something new from the art challenge that you've tried? Or is there any interesting art challenges I should try next besides the MerMay and Inktober? And yeah, let me know in the comment section below. And of course, before you leave, I would really appreciate if you would hit the big red button under the video and hit the bell so you won't miss out on the next time I upload new content on this channel. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe, and have a nice rest of the week. Bye!